The 2025 Audi RS7 sedan redefines the high-performance luxury experience with its bold design, cutting-edge technology, and breathtaking performance. A masterful blend of power and sophistication, the 7 Rupees caters to those who seek thrilling dynamics without compromising on comfort or style. With its latest iteration, Audi has sharpened every aspect of this performance sedan, pushing boundaries in both design and engineering to make it one of the most compelling vehicles in its class. At the heart of the 7 Rupees lies a formidable twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine that delivers an exhilarating 621 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. Mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, this powerhouse catapults the 7 Rupees from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. Enhanced suspension tuning and dynamic ride control ensure that every corner is a showcase of precision and control. Whether navigating tight curves or launching down open highways, the 7 Rupees maintains a commanding presence with its sports car DNA embedded in a luxury sedan frame. Visually, the 7 Rupees makes an immediate statement. Its wide stance, flared wheel arches, and aggressive lines reflect a design language that speaks the dialect of speed and elegance. The signature single-frame grille, now more sculpted and aggressive, is flanked by sleek matrix LED headlights that give the front fascia a futuristic, predatory appeal. Large air intakes and a subtly integrated rear diffuser hint at the performance capabilities beneath the surface, while the RS-specific 22-inch alloy wheels and low-slung profile emphasize its athleticism. The coupe-like silhouette remains intact, giving the 7 Rupees a dynamic look even when at a standstill. Step inside, and the 7 Rupees wraps occupants in a cabin that balances luxury with sport-inspired design. Premium Valcona leather seats with RS embossing offer both comfort and firm lateral support, ideal for spirited driving. Carbon fiber and aluminum trim elements punctuate the space, creating an ambiance of refined aggression. Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus and the MMI Touch Response System provide intuitive access to vehicle settings, navigation, and infotainment features through dual high-resolution screens. The ambient lighting system adds a layer of customization, enhancing the cabin's mood to suit the driver's preferences. Despite its ferocious performance, the 2025 7 Rupees has not neglected efficiency. Thanks to mild hybrid technology, cylinder deactivation, and optimized fuel injection systems, it achieves a respectable balance between power and consumption. While it won't rival a hybrid in terms of economy, the 7 Rupees offers intelligent engineering to maximize range and reduce emissions relative to its class. The 2025 Audi RS7 is more than a high-performance sedan, it's a statement of intent. It captures the spirit of innovation and performance that Audi is known for, wrapped in an unmistakable aesthetic. For those seeking to elevate their driving experience with a vehicle that combines brute force with refined elegance, the 7 Rupees stands ready. Now is the time to book your 7 Rupees and own a piece of automotive excellence that drives as fiercely as it looks.